everyone, it's Bonnie. Happy Thursday. Boy, it's like Christmas today. Oh my gosh. So, I got a package in the mail. This is actually my birthday present from my husband. I wanted a Dooney and Burke purse. So, I got a really good deal on this one. I actually got it like on clearance, and then I decided not to get it. So then they sent me a 20% off coupon, and I'm like, you know what? The 20% off coupon did it. So I'm going to unbox my purse. I'm noticing the comments coming in, by the way, on the evolution of smooth vanilla cashmere. And a lot of people are really loving the vanilla. It's funny because I like it. I just wish it was a little heavier, the scent. I feel like the lotion is really light for me. I don't know why. And it's just not as absorbing as I thought it was going to be. But I got to get the shave gel or the shave oil next. I'm going to try a couple of pieces in this collection because I like the purity of the vanilla. It's just not very strong. But I was interested because I love reading the comments. Okay. I need to get my box open here. It's weird. The box is like, what happened here? The box is kind of open on this side. Do I have scissors? Oh, where did I put my scissors? I think I can do it the old-fashioned way. It's weird. I'm gonna rip the box open. I'm doing it the old-fashioned way here. Okay, here we go. I got the purse. Here we go. Okay. Let me see the invoice here. I want to say that this purse was, the retail was pretty high on it. And I know they kind of exaggerate. I feel like the retail's like way too high because retail was over like $400. I paid, I want to say it was like $129 minus 20%. My total was under $100, which is exactly what I wanted. I did not want to pay over $100. So now that I'm wearing a lot more like colors, lately I've been really into the patterns. I wanted to get some more like neutral purses. There's a lot of packaging here. To kind of go with, you know, my bright colors. So I have a brown purse. I have the Michael Kors. I have the brown. I have a Coach brown, and I just really, really wanted a black purse. This is nice. Oh my gosh, I gotta say, I am liking this. Sticker fell off the front. This is it just says the small winged shopper. It's called, and let me see. What was the retail on this? Is it on the ticket? No. There's little tags on it. Okay, let me get the plastic off the strap. Plastic off the strap. Okay. Yeah, it's like a whole event unpacking a purse these days. It doesn't come with a purse bag though, I gotta say. I did not get a purse bag. A couple of years ago, Teddy Blake sent me a couple of purses and they came with those nice dust covers. Okay, oh, I have one more piece. Okay, there we go. I think I got most of it off. So this is the purse. I gotta say, I do like the look of it. I feel like it doesn't look like super formal. I like the tassels. I thought those were super cute. I was kind of confused if there was a pocket on the side or if it was just a tassel, but I don't know. I like the tassels. I feel like this looks like just like a fun casual purse. It's got the Dooney and Burke logo on it. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And we're going to see what's inside. More paper. Check it out. This has got the Dooney and Burke logo on it, actually. Okay, so get the paper over here. My poor husband, he's always breaking down boxes. Oh, I did get dust cover. Check it out. The dust cover is inside the purse. I like getting a dust cover because you know what? When you're not using a purse, it is kind of nice to put it in a bag. So we have the inside of the bag now. Oh, look, it's got like a little hooky here. Probably put your keys on. And there's the logo inside right there. And is there more paper in here? I feel like there's like making a funny noise. I think, you know what it is? So What's interesting about the inside of this purse is it's red, which I like. I like the red. However, um, it's kind of like a it's like a canvas, but it's weird. It makes like a noise. Is there more paper in here that I'm missing? Oh yeah, there is. I'm like, why is it making so much noise? Let's see. It just says Dooney and Burke product prove their enduring value by improving with age. So I have to register my product online, but I did get it off of Dooney and Burke, so it was an actual purse here. Is there another? It's like it keeps making noise. I think what it is it's this red kind of canvasy fabric inside. I gotta say, I do like the inside of it. I like that I get some pockets in here. There's a zipper pocket, which I always like having an extra zipper pocket inside. The only thing that I would have liked, I do like to have like an outside pocket for my cell phone, but it's actually fine. I like it. And let me see here, little strappy thing here. Nice quality zipper. So I don't usually carry purses like this. I tend to just like carry them like a tote. So I'm not all that concerned about like wearing it on my shoulder. I think when I read the reviews, they said it's a little bit hard to get on your shoulder. If I was wearing a winter coat, I don't think I could get this on my shoulder, but it's fine because like I said, I just kind of carry it like a tote. But I really like this. I gotta say, I like the hardware. The straps are like well made. There's stitching on the strap. And I really like the zipper. And I like the tassels. I think the tassels are like super cute. I have a feeling with like as these get a little bit more age, because these are leather, they're gonna kind of like fan out a little bit and they're gonna look cute on there. So yeah, I actually really this is exactly what I wanted in a black purse. So I'm really excited. At some point, maybe I'll do like a big comparison because I did a video, I want to say about a month ago, and I've been a Vera Bradley girl literally for the last like 20 years. And Vera Bradley this summer really, really changed up their brand to the point where, oh, look at the bottom. I like these too. The little gold feet. The feet. That's nice. I just happened to notice the feet. Yeah, they changed up their brand. I got two purses, like summer, fall. I just did not like either one of them. And I kind of went back to leather. I always carried leather purses back like in my 20s. And then I switched to the Vera Bradley. They were convenient, especially when my daughter was little and you had to carry like a ton of stuff. I actually used a Vera Bradley as a diaper bag. And I just really liked the versatility of the cloth. But when, Vera Bradley started changing up their brand, I'm like, you know what? I think I'm going to go back to leather purses. And I don't go too crazy like collecting a whole bunch of purses because I just don't have the storage, to keep switching off purses. But I basically like to have like a black purse, a brown purse, maybe like a different color like pink. I'd like to maybe get like a green purse for spring. I think that would be pretty. And then I can't imagine myself like I don't like to have like over like 4 or 5 purses. That to me it's like I don't want to store them. But I'm really, really glad I get this one. I am really digging this. I like the pebbled leather and it's cute. I like it. This is just the size purse that I wanted. So I am very happy with this one. Anyway, yay! That was my birthday present. Thank you to my husband. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.